that's what I wanted to do. What's up, peeps? This is gonna be my vlog for today. Okay. Couple videos back, I did say that I broke my drone and I gotta replace the ribbon. Hopefully, I can replace the ribbon with this. Never did it before. This is my first time, and hopefully, I have all the tools to do the job because I don't know. It's hot in here. I have to turn the AC off because I don't want the AC to interfere with the video. So hopefully, I have everything that I wanted for this video. Hopefully. That's not gonna fit. Hey, looks like we find a winner. What is this? A T6. Yep. Yeah. Can't I just take this off? This makes no sense. Well, I'm just gonna leave it right there for now. Let's see if I can take this down. Okay, so this needs to come out. And I can't get to it because what can I do? Yep, I'm officially stuck. The only option is to take it from the top. Take it from the top. Okay, I look like I disconnected the wrong freaking one. Okay, 2, 3, and no 4. This is hard. This is so hard. I didn't even know that drone has so many damn screws. Didn't know drone has so many screws in here. Yeah, welcome back. My battery died, so I'm here again. Here's on the way. Yeah, this is like this. So finally finished putting it back together. I did good. I just missing one screw, but I did a good job for somebody that putting it back together for the first time. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. Here's the ribbon. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the old ribbon. Hopefully that fixes the problem. And that's just one screw right there, if you guys can see it. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Peace.